Hi, I'm Heather DeHoyas, and I'm here in Expert Village to show you how to make a homecoming mum. Okay, next you're going to need long string or ribbon. Just cut them up as long as you think it is, because you always can cut the bottom when you're done to fit your leaf. And then you would stick them on here, staple them any way you want. It's really up to you. Like this. Now make sure to use different varieties of sizes. Like use the really big ones in the back, and then use the medium size, and then small, and then use big again. The object of this is to make it really full, make it look like you spent so much money on it, which you really didn't, because making it at home is much cheaper than getting it made. Yay. Got the picture?